Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a copycat Chick-fil-A chicken tortilla soup, okay? So pay close attention, it's very easy to make. Now I'm going to show you what all we got here. We got a little hand mix grinder right here. Alright, we got 3 chicken breasts right here that's been marinated overnight. And I have my own special seasoning. I have some taco seasoning right here, okay? And I will leave a link over here to this seasoning. So guys, please go over there and check this out. This seasoning is off the chain. It don't have a whole bunch of salt or none of that stuff to it. Alright, let's go get back into it. We got some tortilla strips right here, strips. Got some black beans. We got 2 cans of white beans right here. Catalini beans right here. We got some olive oil right here. We got some chicken broth right here. Let me get these over here. This is some chicken broth right here. Probably use half of that. And to bump it up a notch, we got some Nor chicken bouillon right here. You're going to need 3 cloves of garlic chopped finely. You're going to need 1 stick of carrot chopped finely. And also you're going to need some onion. This is a half an onion, okay? But I'm not going to use onion in mine because I'm going to give it to someone that don't like onions, okay? So guys, so let's go ahead and get started on this chicken. I'll see you guys over there. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just going to put some olive oil in here. We want this pan to be coated nicely. Just like so. I got it on medium. We're going to start laying our chicken breasts in here. All we're doing with this is searing this on both sides. If you want to know how much seasoning I put on this, I put like a tablespoon of seasoning on both, well, for each chicken breast. Alright, we're going to let this cook, guys, for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next when I'm going to turn this over and all that good stuff. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and flip this over. Put some oil on this side. Notice when I'm flipping them, I'm drawing more oil in that spot. Just like so. We're going to cook it 2 to 3 minutes on that side. Till it looks brown just like that. That's all we're doing. And it's not going to be fully cooked, okay? We're going to cook the rest of this in the beans itself. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to use this cutting board right here. And I'm going to just put my meat on here and let it rest while we do our other food. Okay, so this one you want to take the carrot, onions and garlic and all that stuff. We want to put that up in here. We're going to saute this up for a hot second. Now, like I told you, I'm not going to put my onions in here, but you guys are welcome to put yours in there. So turn this down to like a medium low when you're doing it, because you don't want your garlic to burn. Alright. Now this is what I'm going to do for this. We're only going to do that for about a good minute. We're going to take some of this beef, not the beef, but we're going to take some of this chicken broth We're going to pour that in there. So this is going to be like a half container. So that'd be like one pound. Get all this stuff at the bottom, all the flavor. All right. We got us a pot over here. This should feed at least about 5 people, guys. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this over here and pour this stuff in here. Just like so. Just getting all the rest of the little stuff out of there. Little carrots. We're going to take our beans. So I got a can and a half. I'm just going to pour this up in there. Put this one in there. Half a can. We're going to let this cook right now. So we got to chop these breasts up. See you guys over there at the table in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All we're going to do here is cut these up like so. Just like that, guys. And we're just going to come on this way with it. Bite sizes. Alright, we'll go ahead and complete the rest of these up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So that's how that's looking right there. Just like that, guys. Alright, we're going to put that to the side. Here's my half a can of beans. I'm just going to put this blender in here and hold on, matter of fact, I got to put some of this bouillon in there. We're going to put like a teaspoon, because this stuff got cooked for a while. Alright? Alright, let's blend this up, guys. Alright. So that's that. Now, we're finna go back to the pot. Alright? Alright, see you guys over there by the pot. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this chicken, put that in there. And it might be more chicken than beans. But it's okay, I like meat. Alright. Stir this around up in here. We're going to add some more of that chicken stock and the black beans. Put that in there. So, you got another cup of this chicken broth. We're going to put that in there. We got the black beans. We're going to put half a can of that in there. That should do it. Make sure you rinse them beans off, them black beans. Now, if you want yours kicked up a notch, you can put you some cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper. Put like a half a teaspoon of that in there. So keep in mind, you still, if guys like onions, go ahead and please put the onions in there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let that cook and simmer up for about a good 45 minutes to an hour. I said 45 minutes. Well, yeah, 45 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this COPYCAT Chick-fil-A chicken tortilla soup. Alright, so here's how that looks. If it ain't too hot to burn my fingers. That's how that looks, guys. And boy, when I tell you, you guys not gonna believe this. This actually tastes better than Chick-fil-A's. Now, this is, I'm taking this to somebody else. This is the bowl I used to eat the Chick-fil-A chicken tortilla soup. And it was good. Not knocking them at all. But I'm telling you, homemade, always the best way to go. So guys, check this out. Check this recipe out. Please check this recipe out. And don't forget to go check out that seasoning. This seasoning is off the chain right here, guys. I'm telling you, this is my own special blend right here. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, give me a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit this bell, just like that, so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. God bless.